Welcome to DigiRise Pro. Today you will learn how to create a professional YouTube channel using only mobile. Let's begin. Step number 1. Sign into YouTube. Open Chrome or YouTube app. Tap sign in. Use your Gmail account or create a new one. This Gmail will be your YouTube channel ID. Step number 2. Create your channel. Tap profile picture. Create channel. Enter your channel name. Choose something short, clear and related to your content. Step number 3. Add profile and banner. Add profile banner. You can use Canva or Pixel Lab to design them. Banner size 20481152 pixel. This gives your channel a professional look. Step number 4. Use YouTube Studio in desktop mode. Open Chrome. Go to youtube.com. Tap 3 dot desktop site. Now open YouTube. Here you can customize layout, branding and description because this helps your channel growth. Very simple. Your professional YouTube channel is ready. Upload your first video. Subscribe to DigiRise Pro for more tutorial and YouTube growth strategy.